County in northeastern Illinois. Southeastern County in northeastern Illinois. EAS state the area of thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Auburn Gresham to Dillon. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Auburn Gresham to Dillon today morning, moving eastern.
He's in a class
in northeastern Illinois.
Making
northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois. A line extending from Auburn Gresham to Dalton to near Manee, moving east. Extending from Auburn Gresham to Dalton to near Manee. For your protection, interior room on the lowest floor of a building. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Include roof, Side City, Woodard, Narrowville, Chicago Heights, South Shore, Chicago, Hammond, Gary, Calumet City, Hobart, Lansing, Crown Point, Harvey, Highland, Munster, Dalton, Park Forest, Homewood, Cedar Lake, Steger, Lowell, Chatham, and Auburn Gresham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
About these things for the churches. I am the root and the descendant